guys, it's Dobby again from Blast from the Past Bags. I have a shop on Etsy, and every day or maybe every other day I'll be showing you different things that I have in my store, things that I have purchased from vintage or thrift stores, things that I got for myself or for my boyfriend. So today I'm going to share with you a leather belt. This is what it looks like. It actually has the Australian map on the buckle, and the buckle is silver tone, kind of grayish. It's a little bit dark and it shows some scratches here and there, and it's still pretty. The belt has different decorations. You could see the koala here. It says Australia. They are running kangaroos as well. So the belt is beautifully embossed with different symbols of Australia. It's just great. Now this is supposed to be a men's belt, but to me it looks a little bit smaller and it actually fits me perfectly, and I'm size 36 US. So this belt was made in Australia, as you can see. It says genuine leather made in Australia. And the belt, that measures about 30 to 37 inches. So if you see, this is where my waistline is. And this is how much I have left. And it could actually fit my hips as well, right here, if you can see that. So it actually depends. It's a men's belt, but I think it's suitable for ladies as well. I kind of like this belt, and actually my boyfriend picked it out from a thrift shop. I think it was last week or the week before that, and he actually thought that this is an amazing belt that I should have in my store. So go check it out, guys. It's a Blast from the Past Bags on Etsy. So make sure you check it out today. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below, and make sure you follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. I'll see you later.